Hey there.
Hey there. I would like to ask, how much money do you have to have for an estate planning for your great-granddaughter? Because I don't want it to go to any other members of my family anymore.
Wow.
And
Well,
I probably have $100,000, so I don't know, would the estate eat it up, or what do I do?
Sure.
well, that's a complicated question. The question I get is, can you write me a simple will? And the answer to that question is, how simple is your life? And so if you've got one child and one house and your family all love each other, then that's a lot easier. And if you've had 3 ex-spouses and 4 children that hate you, it's really, really difficult to do an estate plan. So the main thing is to talk to an attorney and find out just what's needed to be done. So if you're trying to leave something to a particular relative, you can write a will to do exactly that. You can say, I want in this will to give everything I have to a particular relative. And that's doable, and you just need to do it right and make sure that you get it done precisely. And more than glad to help you, and we can
So there's
we
really
can
not
talk about it.
necessarily a dollar figure, but if you
Right.
already have in your mind that you want all of your assets to go to one person, putting it down on paper, and you
Correct.
really were saying doing it correctly means
Right. Well,
probably
you have to.
suggesting not writing it down on a napkin and getting your neighbor to, sign it for you. You probably want to go through the proper channels of getting a legal will.
Important point to make. When you write it out by hand, they call that a holographic will. Some states recognize them, but you better move to Tennessee if you have one. So Alabama's not one of them. You got to have it written out, and you got to have it notarized and witnessed and all that other good stuff. And Alabama is not valid.
Yeah.